Welcome to the 1982 Chevrolet Silverado K10. This truck is powered by a 6.2-liter LS3 crate motor V8, bolted up to a 4-speed 4L80 automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Silverado, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks and windows, manual tilt windows, Dakota digital gauges, steering column shifter. Climate control can be found in the center dash and comes with cold-blowing air conditioning. Kenwood head unit with auxiliary and USB capabilities, 4-wheel drive selector, and a 6-speaker audio system all throughout the vehicle, and a single 10-inch sub. Taking a look at the exterior of the Silverado, starting off with the 15-inch wheels paired up with 35-inch KO2 tires, complemented by a 4-inch Rancho lift. This truck was meticulously restored in 2018, which included a body off-frame sandblasting. Around the front of the vehicle, we have the chrome push bar with hella off-road lights, Chevrolet hood ornament, as well as the gold bow tie in the center of the grille. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck comes with remote unlock, K10 and Silverado badging on the fenders, single side step, 120-liter bed-mounted fuel tank, and around the back of the vehicle we have the dual chrome-tipped custom exhaust. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 1982 Chevrolet Silverado K10. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.